Well, my fellow educationists of the country, I'm once again back with you with another small snippet about the reforms of education that are required to be implemented in India. Indian universities, and through these snippets that I'm trying to give you before you, I want to say that now India is playing a very vital role as far as supply of manpower to the rest of the world is concerned. 1986 onwards, the efforts of globalization and liberalization has brought in a significant change in the social spectrum of the country. We want our children to be educated, to be useful for the society in a different manner. 25 years back, we had paucity of jobs. Now the jobs are increasing in big numbers, not only in India but abroad also. And therefore, the country's vision 2020 says, let's be the supply of manpower to the rest of the world, educated manpower, good manpower, useful manpower for the rest of the world. Therefore, now the most significant reform that is required to be implemented under the banner of UGC is that mandatorily all colleges that are imparting education in the field of arts, science, commerce and other vital areas, particularly at the graduate level or even at the postgraduate level, will have to be mandatorily accredited through the organization called NAAC. It's a body which has been created by UGC for these standardizations. So, at the grassroots level, what all is required to be done to be successfully obtaining the accreditation, we need to understand it thoroughly well. See, accreditation is actually nothing but bringing up the quality of education that is being imparted in the institution. So the teachers have to understand it, the college administrators have to understand it, the college management has to understand it, whether it is governed by government or it's governed by a private management. All will have to understand it correctly. The message that I want to give you through Equate India, that we'll have to work for it. And I also want to tell the colleges, the students, some specific things which I would like to present to you through this slide. Warning for the students. The most important warning that I want to issue to the students is, please do not seek admission in non-accredited colleges. The loss to you is that you won't be getting admission in better colleges abroad, and the industry or the employer is not going to be interested in you because you pass out from a non-accredited college. The second warning is, again I am calling it warning, but this is nothing but a reform. The major one, if reform 1 is to be implemented, then the colleges that are under the purview of UGC should immediately go for accreditation. And why I am saying it? Why I am saying it? Through a gadget notification, the UGC has announced, these are the announcements. Look at the series of announcements, not only one. You go through the website and you will find. Go to these links and you will find what I am saying is perfectly correct, that mandatory requirement of accreditation is necessary. for all colleges. Go to the UGC link, you will find that. Go to UGC chairman link, you will find that. Go to the Indian Express News, you will find that. And Education Review and number of them. So a series of them have been there. But now the question comes, how do we do it? What is the process of it? How do we take it forward? Well, my organization, Equate India, is a national level consultancy organization eager to help the colleges. We know the process, we know how to implement that. We are very keen to help the colleges. Please contact, we will help you. Now important part is, the very important part now is that once you contact us, we will give you the capacity, we will give you the systems that are required to be managed. The systems that are required to be created, managed by people, give you the training also on how these systems are required to be managed. So, as soon as possible, please contact us. Thank you very much.